Hi class, in this video we're going to be talking about adding integers. So just as a review, this is a number line here. So as you move towards this right side, you become more positive. As you move towards this left side, you become more negative. 0 starts in the middle. Then for example, you go 1, 2, 3. The bigger your number, the more positive. And then here, the more negative your number, the more negative you get. All right, so for this model, we're going to use some circles. In this case, I'm going to let the blue circle be positive and let the red circle be negative. When we're simply doing these questions here, if I have 5 positive circles like this, and then I have 3 negative circles, basically this statement is going to be written as positive 5 plus negative 3. And now to find the answer to this, we can simply cancel out positive circles with negative circles. So each positive circle will cancel out with a negative circle. Okay, and after I canceled out every positive and negative that I can, I simply ask myself, what is left over? And what's left is 2 positive circles. So I can say that 5 plus negative 3, the answer will simply be 2. Now let's move on and do B. B, I have, it looks like 6 negative circles and 3 positive circles. So in this case, once again, the positives cancel out with the negatives. So I'm going to cancel out a positive with a negative, a positive with a negative, and cancel out another positive with a negative. And now what I have here is I have negative 6 plus positive 3. But what's left over after I canceled out the circles is 3 negative circles. So my final answer should be negative 3. So negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. Okay. Now for these ones here, if we apply the same logic, here I have 8 plus 5. I'm simply going to draw these out. So I have 8 positive circles. They're not drawn to scale, just 8 positive circles. I'm going to add on 5 positive circles. Now, for my answer of 8 plus 5, you guys know the answer. It's just going to be 13. How I get there is I simply add up all the positive circles that I have. I don't have to cancel anything out because they're the same sign. So I simply have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 positive circles. So my answer is positive 13. Now for my answer of B, here it says I have 6 negative and 2 negative. Well, for this one, let's draw them out. I got 6 negative circles, and I'm adding 2 negative circles. So in this case, my final answer, I would just add all of the same sign circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my final answer should be negative 8 here. Okay, now for C, I have 7 positive circles. And I'm adding it to 2 negative circles. So basically, as I said before, a positive cancels with a negative. So I'm simply going to cancel out a positive with one negative. And now since there's another positive and negative left, I continue to do the same thing. So what I have left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positives. So that means my final answer of positive 7 plus negative 2 should be positive 5. Okay, and then we just apply this same logic to solve the rest of the problems here, right? So for the bottom ones, negative 5 plus 2, well, if I were to draw the circles, I would simply have negative 3 because I would have 3 more negative circles after I do my canceling out. For E, I would have one more negative circle. So I'm going to have -1. And then for f, -2 plus -1, I'm simply adding my negative circles together. So I would have two negative circles here, and I add one more negative circle. My final answer should be -3 here.